Boston, a city where American history comes alive. Cobblestone streets whisper stories of revolution and resilience. Grand universities hum with intellectual energy, and the aroma of fresh-baked clam chowder hangs in the air. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply seeking a vibrant city escape, Boston has something for you. Founded in 1630, Boston is one of America's oldest cities. Its role in the American Revolution is legendary. Today, Boston seamlessly blends its storied past with a modern cosmopolitan vibe. World-class museums, theaters, and restaurants stand shoulder to shoulder with historic landmarks. Get ready to be enchanted by Boston's unique charm. It's a walkable city with distinct neighborhoods, each offering its own flavor. From the cobblestone streets of Beacon Hill to the bustling energy of Faneuil Hall Marketplace, Boston is best explored on foot. No trip to Boston is complete without immersing yourself in its rich history. Start your journey on the Freedom Trail, a 2.5-mile-long red brick path that winds its way past 16 significant historical sites. Follow in the footsteps of revolutionaries at Faneuil Hall, where fiery speeches ignited the spirit of independence. Pay homage at the site of the Boston Massacre, and reflect on the sacrifices made for freedom. Step aboard the USS Constitution, affectionately known as Old Ironsides, a powerful symbol of American naval might. Beyond the Freedom Trail, delve deeper into Boston's past at the Boston Tea Party Ships and Museum. Experience a reenactment of the iconic event that sparked a revolution. Explore the Boston Museum, home to an impressive collection of art and artifacts spanning centuries. For a glimpse into Boston's literary legacy, visit the homes of renowned authors like Louisa May Alcott and Nathaniel Hawthorne. Their words continue to inspire readers around the world. While historical landmarks are a must-see, Boston offers a plethora of unique experiences that go beyond the ordinary. Embark on a scenic cruise along the Charles River, taking in breathtaking views of the city skyline. Rent a swan boat and leisurely paddle across the Public Gardens Lagoon. For a taste of local life, venture into Boston's diverse neighborhoods. Explore the trendy boutiques and art galleries of SoWa, south of Washington Street. Discover hidden culinary gems in the North End, Boston's charming Italian neighborhood. Catch a Red Sox game at Fenway Park, one of baseball's most beloved ballparks. Experience the electric atmosphere and cheer on the home team. For a more intimate sporting event, attend a Celtics basketball game at TD Garden. No matter your interests, Boston has something to surprise and delight you. Embrace the unexpected and create memories that will last a lifetime. Section 4. Navigating the city tips for the savvy traveler. Boston is a relatively easy city to navigate even for first-time visitors. The Boston subway system is a convenient and affordable way to get around. Consider purchasing a Charlie card for multiple rides or a day pass. Walking is also a great way to explore the city, especially in the compact downtown area. Comfortable shoes are a must. If you prefer two wheels, rent a bike and explore the city's many bike paths. The best time to visit Boston is during the shoulder season, spring from April to May, or fall from September to October. The weather is pleasant and the crowds are smaller. Summer can be hot and humid, while winter brings cold temperatures and occasional snow. Book accommodations in advance, especially if traveling during peak season. Consider staying in neighborhoods like Back Bay, Beacon Hill, or the South Back Bay for easy access to attractions. Section 5. Savor the flavor, culinary delights, and local haunts. Boston's culinary scene is as diverse and vibrant as the city itself. From fresh seafood to hearty Italian fare, there's something to satisfy every palate. Don't leave without trying a bowl of creamy clam chowder, a local specialty. Indulge in a traditional New England lobster bake, a feast featuring fresh-caught lobster, steamed clams, corn on the cob, and more. Head to the North End for authentic Italian pastries, pizza, and pasta. For a taste of history, dine at the Union Oyster House, America's oldest restaurant. Sample local craft beers at one of Boston's many breweries. And for a sweet treat, grab a scoop of ice cream at a local parlor. Boston's culinary scene is an adventure for your taste buds. Embrace the local flavors and discover your new favorite dish. Section 6. Boston beckons. Your unforgettable journey awaits. Boston is a city that will captivate your senses and leave a lasting impression. From its rich history and vibrant culture to its culinary delights and unique experiences, Boston offers something for everyone. Walk the Freedom Trail and retrace the steps of America's founding fathers. Explore world-class museums, cheer on the Red Sox at Fenway Park, and savor the flavors of New England cuisine. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Boston has it all. So, pack your bags, grab your walking shoes, and prepare to be enchanted by the city of Boston. Your unforgettable journey awaits.